Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, we will explore the feature and benefits of Grandstream GWN7660 dual band wireless access point. It is a powerful Wi-Fi access point that offers a host of advanced features to ensure maximum network throughput and expanded coverage range. With dual band 2x2 MU-MIMO and downlink uplink OFDMA technology, this device is designed to handle the demand of medium wireless network deployment with medium to high user density. Let's unbox this and check. In the box we get user manual and access point, wall fitting kit and screws. That's it. We don't get any power adapter. We have to use PoE switch. If you don't have PoE switch, you might need to buy power injector. This is the look of access point, circular shape. 1 gigabit port, wall mounting kit. You can mount it on wall as well as on ceiling. The key feature of this access point is it is Wi-Fi 6. It can give you 1.77 Gbps aggregated wireless throughput, and it has two 1 gigabit Ethernet port with PoE connectivity. Other key feature is its sophisticated antenna design, which ensure optimal coverage and performance in any environment, whether you are using this device in a small office or large warehouse. You can count on it to deliver reliable and consistent Wi-Fi connectivity. To make installation and management as easy as possible, this access point uses a controller-less distributed network management design. This means that the controller is embedded with device web user interface, so you don't need any additional hardware or software to get started. In addition to its built-in management feature, also supported by Grandstream Cloud and Wi-Fi management platforms, GWN.Cloud and GWN Manager, this powerful tools gives you even more control over your network, so you can easily monitor and manage all of your Wi-Fi device from a single interface. So let me configure the access point and will show you the throughput of this access point and wireless capabilities. We have configured the device with Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Here is the user interface. You can view the device status and configuration. We have connected with the wireless access point and we got throughput of 1.2 Gbps on the cell phone via wireless. We are performing a speed test on this wireless access point via wire connectivity, and we are getting the throughput of 900 Mbps in download and 800 Mbps throughput on upload. Now we will check the same throughput on Wi-Fi. How much we'll get, we'll check. Now we are checking on wireless. And it's giving approximately 560 Mbps on download. 472 on upload. So in conclusion, whether you are looking for a reliable and high performance Wi-Fi access point for your office, warehouse or other business environment, the GWN7660 from Grandstream is definitely worth considering. With its advanced feature, easy installation and management, and seamless integration with Grandstream devices and IP phones, this device is sure to meet all of your Wi-Fi needs. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.